Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel. In this particular series of videos that I am making, I will be teaching you that how you can edit the 3D mockup, the 3D mockup of laptop, phone as well as the desktop. So this kind of templates can be downloaded from some of the websites that I will mention in the description, and you will be able to download them and edit them and make your video more realistic for your viewers. So this is the part 1 in which I will tell you that how you can download it from a website.
This is where we will start. We have this website that is shareai.com, and then we have a video here. Let me play the video to give you an idea that what we are going to create today. So that is what it was. So before that we need to download the file. So we have many websites here, so I'll just go with this one. I'm just showing you that how you can download them. Some of these sites are very easy to download, but some of them are very difficult. For example, this one is saying that you need to have a pro membership. We'll not go for this, we'll go for the another one. And here we have these options like regular download and high speed download. You can go for regular download, and then you have to just go ahead with the security option that we have, and then we will go ahead and try to download this file. So I suggest you to go for the Brave browser, because in Brave browser it blocks many advertisement. As you can see, it has already blocked a few advertisement. And if you are using a website like this, if you are trying to download from ShareAI, I suggest you to download Brave browser as well. So this is one of the site that is TurboBit, where it is working. After 30 seconds we will have the download link, but there are some sites where the process is different. So once you go to the website, you will have to click on this slow download or free download or regular download, and then go ahead with the download option. For example, this one, in this it is asking for payment. We will not go for this one. We'll try to go for another one that is free files, and here we have free download option, but yes, it is asking for pro. So as you could see that we have tried multiple websites to find out that which website has the free file available. So we'll just download the file now. Once the file is downloaded, we will need to extract it, and then we will edit the template. So I like to share that while I was trying to download it from this site, that is TurboBit, the place where I got it for free, it was telling me that it will take 6 hours. So there is one more way to do it, is you have to just type in the name of that particular file in Google. Okay, you have to just write something like the code and the website promo or whatever is the name, and then free download, and then we will find many other websites as well where this is available. For example, I went here in hunterae.com and then just went down and click on the download option. It will ask you to wait for 25 seconds, and a new download has started, and this is very fast. So I'll just cancel the previous one, and it was just to share with you that how you can download these kind of templates from different websites. And I will also share the link of this particular fast website in the description below, from where you can download and then edit it. In the next part, you will learn that how you can edit these templates and create a complete video.